How to find saved media on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find saved media on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in top corner, and after you click on it just go down until you find this one, saved. Here you can find your saved items, then just click this one, all types, and select media, and here you can find your saved media on Facebook Lite. I don't have any saved media, that's why there is nothing here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.